Stop using Excel. Use this AI tool instead. Equals is your AI spreadsheet assistant. You can ask it for help with anything, like creating custom queries for your data, so you don't have to do it manually, all by just giving it simple prompts. It will even debug any queries so you don't have to stress out finding a fix. It can even create formulas for you. All you have to do is give it a short description and watch the magic happen. Tired of those annoying errors with your formulas? Don't worry. Your assistant will fix them for you automatically. Need to make stunning charts for your presentations but don't know how? Just ask your AI assistant to help format the chart and give you a summary of what it shows. Boom. All you have to do is paste it into your presentation. For those who are more experienced, it supports multiple integrations and can even write SQL in your spreadsheet with a table browser. The best part? It even has ready-made templates which you can start using in a single click. Start creating your dream dashboards today and save hours at work. Are you going to give this a try? Let me know what you think. If you found this useful, access the ultimate list of 2,000 plus AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.